This is the 2016 Kia Optima. If you want to check out your cabin filter, go over your glove box. You're going to need to turn these guys in counterclockwise. They just come out. You have two of them. Okay. Once you do that, you have a damper on the side here that's actually holding it up. All you have to do is pull it towards the door and it'll disconnect it. It just clips on there. And then your cabin filter is located right here. It's in this guy right here. And come over here, squeeze these guys, and the door will just come right off. There's the cabin filter. I don't have a new cabin filter. I'm just checking this one out. If you need one, I'll leave a link down in the description box where you can get one. I recommend that you turn the car off for this. We got some leaves and things like that in here. I'm gonna go ahead and shake this one out, and I'll put this one back in. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna want to order one of these because this guy is really gross. I'm just gonna throw this one away actually. So, but when you have your new one, just install it the reverse order of taking it out. Yeah, that one's trash. I'm definitely gonna need to order a new one. But for the video's sake, I'm gonna show you how to put this thing back in. You put the left side in first. And it just clicks like that. And then get your glove box. And just stick these guys back in here. That will hold it up. And then you go over to the damper and just slide it back on. And that's it. Again, if you need one of those filters, I'll leave a link for you.